Torrential rains deluged Georgia. A heavy downpour of rain over the third weekend of June caused floods and landslides, one of which claimed 4 lives when a roadside café on Rikoti Pass suddenly collapsed about 100 kilometers from the capital of Tbilisi. Storms in the central part of the country also caused the river Mtiskhevi to burst its banks on Sunday, June 19th, leading to avalanches that swept away vehicles and buildings in a path of destruction. Over 200 vehicles, including a busload of children, were stranded for several hours before being safely rescued. As of Monday, cleanup efforts were fully underway in affected areas, such as the historic village of Surami, where water levels had been reported to be as high as 3 meters. Repairs also began on the damaged sections of highways, with emergency pipes installed at Rikoti Pass to allow the water to flow into the Suramula River rather than continuing to separate the land. Meanwhile, Georgian President Mikheil Saakashvili expressed his condolences to the families of those perished, saying that face-to-face interviews would be conducted with all victims to be able to completely address damages. He also encouraged regional ministers to create plans that would address the effects of extreme weather, which he said may become frequent in Georgia. "We are grateful, President Saakashvili, other Georgian officials, and all personnel for your swift and caring response to aid the flood-stricken people. May such adverse conditions be eased by our kinder regard for one another and the environment."